French Valley traffic, Cessna 02, turning left base for 18 French Valley.
So this time I'm flying a Cessna 172S G1000. This is my first time solo after getting checked out on this aircraft. I was going to fly to another airport, but it was pretty busy in the pattern, so I decided to just come back into land, get a little practice. Hope you enjoy.
Clear below 12,000, temperature 20 Celsius, dew point 8, altimeter 29er 8.
French Valley traffic, Cessna 02.
French Valley Airport, automated weather observation 1838 Zulu, weather, wind, calm, visibility 10, clear below 12,000, temperature 19er Celsius, dew point 8, altimeter 29er 8.
Test 1, 2, test. All right.
Okay, so you guys will probably notice that I cut quite a bit out of this first section. I'm still getting acquainted with the G1000 systems, and as a result, I end up taking a little bit longer than usual, just double checking everything. And the plane is a little different too. I've mostly flown N's, R's, so the S is just a little bit different. As a result, it's not the best landing, but you know, you live and learn.
All right, pre-taxi checklist. French Valley traffic, Skyhawk 6238 Alpha at restaurant parking, going to be taxiing down to 18 for run up, French Valley.
French Valley traffic, Cessna 069, taxiing from Jetport to runway 18, French Valley.
French Valley, Cherokee 076 Quebec, just departed on the downwind from runway 18 to the north, last call, French Valley, 3,000 timing. 3,900 timing.
French Valley, Malibu 9117 Juliet on a 3.5 miles, 45, coming out at 3,000 feet, left traffic 18, French Valley.
French Valley traffic, Cessna 069, turning left crosswind, French Valley.
Okay, 82 Delta Sierra downwind, runway 18, touch and go. You got the airplane. An aircraft that was upwind in front of us, we cut in front of you.
French Valley traffic, Baron 34 Romeo is turning final, runway 18, French Valley.
French Valley traffic, Cessna 069, turning downwind, departing to the north, French Valley.
French Valley traffic, Cessna 61737 is 4 miles north of the field, 3,500 feet. Going to be descending, entering 45 for runway 18, French Valley.
French Valley traffic, Cessna 7165 Golf, exiting 18, Alpha 2, taxi to Park, French Valley.
Aircraft departing to the north, what's your altitude?
82
Delta there, we're turning left base, runway 18, touch and go.
1200.
Roger.
Correction, 2300, sorry.
Piper 076 Quebec, 7 miles to the southwest, northeastbound for Yucca Valley at 5,500 banding traffic.
Hey, I'm at 3,500, just directly north of the field, about 3 miles. I'm going to keep an eye out for you.
Okay, yeah, right now I'm 6 miles on my GPS.
Metro traffic, helicopter 2A is Tango, half mile west of Skinner Lake, 2,500, that's transitioning northbound French Valley.
Ride traffic 82 Delta, Sierra, short final, runway 18, touch and go.
34 Romeo will be clearing momentarily.
Mike.
And bearing 34 Romeo will be exiting the runway at Alpha 5.
French Valley traffic, Skyx 6238 Alpha is taking runway 18. Line up and wait for the traffic to clear.
French Valley traffic, Tiger 1502 Romeo is taxiing for runway 18 French Valley.
That's right, traffic 82 Delta, Sierra, the upwind will be turned downwind for another touch and go.
French Valley traffic, Skyx 6238 Alpha is on the roll, runway 18. We'll be remaining in the pattern, French Valley.
Traffic, Diamond 2 Delta, Sierra, left crosswind, runway 18, French Valley. French Valley traffic 82 Delta, Sierra, left downwind, runway 18. Won't be a touch and go, French Valley.
French Valley traffic, Skyx 6238 Alpha is turning left crosswind, runway 18, French Valley.
French Valley 882 Delta, sorry, turning left face, runway 18, French Valley.
Banning traffic, Piper 076 Quebec, just to the south of the field, about a mile. And we are north eastbound.
French Valley traffic, Skyx 6238 Alpha is turning downwind, runway 18, French Valley.
Banning 076 Quebec, 5,200 northeastbound.
French Valley traffic, Cessna 172S G1000 is on a 3 mile 45 for runway 18, searching for the downwind traffic, happy in sight, French Valley.
Traffic.
Over the water towers currently, 6238 Alpha.
Yeah, I got you inside, I'll come in behind you.
French Valley traffic 82 Delta, sorry, short final, runway 18, touch and go, French Valley.
French Valley traffic, White Cessna Cardinal, 7 miles south of Skinner. We'll head to Skinner and then westbound for a left downwind runway 18, French Valley.
And French Valley traffic, Cessna 61737 over the water tower is turning downwind for 18 French Valley.
French Valley traffic, burn 34 Romeo is taking the active runway 18 will be remaining closed traffic.
French Valley traffic, Skyhawk 623 at Alpha is turning left base, runway 18, French Valley.
Test not available.
Yeah, traffic 82 Delta Sierra is turning left crosswind for runway 18, French Valley.
French Valley traffic, Blue White Cessna 8 are uniform. We're about 7 miles to the west. We'll enter over midfield and make a 360 over by Lake Skinner to enter left traffic for 18.
Skyhawk 623 at Alpha is turning final, runway 18, French Valley.
French Valley traffic, Cessna 61737, turning left base for 18 full stop, French Valley.
French Valley traffic, White Cessna Cardinal, 3 miles south of Skinner. We'll head to Skinner, head to the dam, turn westbound, enter left downwind runway 18, French Valley.
French Valley traffic 82 Delta Sierra left downwind 18, French Valley.
French Valley 7334 Romeo turning left crosswind 18.
Tiger 1502 Romeo is holding short 18 French Valley.
French Valley traffic, Cessna 61737, turning final for 18 full stop, French Valley.
502 Romeo, hold short.
French Valley 7334 Romeo turning downwind 18. French Valley down to start 2 Delta Sierra left base runway 18, touch and go.
French Valley traffic, White Cessna Cardinal is a mile south of Skinner. We'll turn westbound and enter left downwind, runway 18, French Valley.